Welcome to Whiteboard Wednesdays. This is where we look at some of the trickier questions you might have when it comes to money, and we draw out the answers. I really need some new material. Anyway, I'm Taylor Blackburn, and I'm a personal finance specialist here at Finder. Now, before we jump in, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Do you know your credit score? If you've checked your credit score lately, you are in the minority. Our research shows only 28% of Australian adults know what their number is. That leaves almost 14 million people who have no idea about their credit score. Now at Finder, we survey people about their financial situation every month. And what we're hearing from you is that 1 in 5 of you have a rough idea of what your credit score is. 6% are too scared to check it at all, and more than 8% don't even know what a credit score is. A good credit score is a prerequisite in your financial toolkit. A high score makes it easier to secure credit to finance major life purchases like a credit card, a car, or a home loan. At its core, your credit score is an indication of your financial health. It tells lenders how likely you are to pay your bills on time and the risk you pose. As a result, having a high credit score comes with many benefits, from a better chance of approval on financial products to better interest rates. Now, lenders already know your score, so shouldn't you? In general, the higher your credit score, the better off you are. A score below 550 is problematic, while an excellent score of 800 or above will give borrowers access to the best interest rates. 1 in 7 consumers, 14%, don't know how to check their credit score. Now, the impact of a low credit score is misunderstood. Just half of Australians know that a low score means you won't qualify for a low interest rate on a personal loan. Thankfully, there are ways to improve your credit score, whether it's lowering your credit card limit or limiting how many applications you make for credit. There's steps to help boost your score and potentially secure big savings when you need to borrow. Here are 3 steps to improve your credit score. First, always make your payments on time, even if it's just the minimum amount. Payment history is a key factor in your credit score. Now, even a payment that's late by 2 weeks can have a negative effect on your score, and especially if you don't let the provider know about your inability to pay on time. To ensure you make the minimum each month, set up a direct deposit or phone reminders or both for all your bills so you're less likely to miss a payment. Your credit report is an in-depth look at your credit history that lenders review when you apply for a new credit card or loan. Money management apps like the Finder app, can continuously monitor your score and send you a notification if anything changes. You can also get your score on the Finder app for free in about 5 minutes. Your credit score is not only a reflection of how you used credit in the past, but also how you might wield it in the future. If you have a high credit card limit or a bunch of extra cards that you're not using, you can contact your card issuer and have them trim it down or trim the number of cards down. Now, this could help you increase your credit score and improve your chances of approval for when you're applying for future loans. If you want to get your credit score, check out the links in the description below. And if you want to see more Whiteboard Wednesdays, hit subscribe right here. We've collated this information from surveys of more than 20,000 Australians. To see the data, check out the details below. And if you have any questions, don't forget to tweet to us with the hashtag FinderWhiteboardWednesday, and we'll get back to you right away.